That's all right.
That's what you think.
Now we're wedged in.
You're going nowhere.
Yeah, I can normally just about turn here if it's single park. And I thought, it's that girl
Give it a
again.
go.
It's that girl again. Hey,
We've lost someone.
we've lost somebody. Do you want me? I'll pick you up, love. Here you are.
Right, thank you. Yeah, I've let the men have me. You've got my life jacket.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Got a nudge from here, or you're right.
I'm in a bad place, you see. Push! Push!
Oh, yeah, that one hard. Ooh. Just going head on at that again.
That's it.
Yeah.
The slower you go, the less weight you are.
No.
You want it really slow, alright? Watch where you're going now.
The trouble is, you've always got to start from the right place. Did we touch in on him? All right. Thank you.